we launch our 25th year, bringing you further into tomorrow. Welcome back. In Las Vegas, we're finding all kinds of cool products, and specifically in the area of the Sands called Eureka Park. Something that we've not seen before is a smart sliding glass door opener. We have the Bro founder, interesting, of Wayzn is the company, Adam Smithline. Adam, welcome into tomorrow.
Thank you.
Tell me about Bro founder. What's that about?
So my brother-in-law and I started the company together. We were on a ski trip. We were lamenting how much we'd spent to board the dogs so we could have a day in the mountains. And we're looking at a sliding glass door in the cabin thinking, we both have one of those. And my brother said, after a few beers, what if we built something that could open this when we're not home and we could let the dogs in and out? So we built one. Everyone saw it. Our friends and family saw it and said, that's great, you should sell that. And so here we are.
Very good. And I've seen and have used even in a sliding glass door, a little panel with a doggy door or a cat door, that kind of a thing. Well, that's wonderful, but that doesn't really do the job, and especially if you've got nice sliding glass doors, you don't want to take away from them. You want to be able to just open and close as necessary. And I'm assuming for more than just pets. Maybe the kids in the backyard and stuff, come on in, dinner's ready or something. If you open it remotely, huh?
Yes, you could open the door for any reason. If, let's say, your hands are full and you want to walk outside, it's got a motion detector, you could just walk through the door. But you're right about the dog door. The traditional dog door is not especially attractive. My wife didn't want one in the house, and you have to punch a hole in the wall and then hire a contractor to put it in if you want it done well. So it's got some downsides. This thing installs in minutes. It's a do-it-yourself product and installs with sticky tape, believe it or not, on both sides. Yep, strong enough. And they're damage-free. So when you're done, you want to move. Let's say you live in an apartment. You want to take it with you, no problem.
Well, let me get you to stand closer to me and the door so Chris can show on the video how the Wayzn works. Explain this.
Well, here we just stepped to the door and the motion detector caught me and now it's opening. And if I stand a little bit away from the door, it'll close by itself here if all goes well.
Of course, we're still close because I have to have you close to me. There you go.
There you go. And I'll show you also how the thing is secure. It acts like a metal bar, so you can't open the door when it's in place. But
good. So if you were a burglar, you're not going to get in easily, and it's not any scenario there. It's also secure, but now you can lift it up so it's totally out of the way. You can fully open your glass door.
Close the door normally. It just makes itself small when you don't want to use it. When you're ready to use it again, you just drop it back in place.
And all done, you mentioned, with sticky tape, but obviously it does the job, and why not, right?
It does the job, and it's got special adapters we developed, so it can sit in any type of sliding glass door. Some have ridges, some have slots. It accommodates, and it's coming in 3 sizes, so it can handle a 5, 6, or 8 foot door. And it learns the door. All doors are a little different, so when you install it, it opens and closes a few times to learn the door. So it's got a little bit of AI in it. It can figure out how big is the door, when is the door closed, how much pressure does it take to close the door. That's really important for safety reasons. So it's got to be able to stop when it's closing if it senses an obstruction.
So, good. Now, next question then, if the dog hasn't come fully in or the child's not there or your foot's in the way, it's going to stop.
So if it detects something like my foot while it's closing here, it'll just back off and open again, and it'll try again.
Excellent. Availability and price?
It's $399. It's available on our website, wayzn.com, for pre-order right now, and it'll begin shipping in February.
Of this year?
This year.
Next month.
That's right.
Wayzn.com. And of course, we'll link you there when you hit us up at intotomorrow.com. Adam, you've got something cool. We always look for the cool stuff, and especially with smaller companies. Everybody wants to cover the big companies. Well, we all know that they come up with new product. That's wonderful. We look for companies like yours that have come up with some innovative ideas to do something that can benefit a lot of us. So keep up the good work.
Thank you so much, Dave.
Our pleasure. Back with more from Las Vegas. I'm Dave Graveline, right here on the Advanced Media Network.